आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट अ मैसिव शिफ्ट हैपनिंग इन द टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री। Hello and welcome back to a segment of Weekly Scoop with Ocean Finvest. बांग्लादेश, जो वंस टेक्सटाइल एक्सपोर्ट्स का पावर हाउस था, is currently facing a lot of crises like political unrest, gas shortage and trade bans. And in सब के बीच and using this crisis as an opportunity, India is trying to regain its lost textile dominance. But to really understand what's at stake today, we need to rewind a bit. Well, to start with some facts. Early 2024 data के according, textile contributes nearly 80% of Bangladesh exports and around 11 to 15% of its GDP. In the early 1980s, textile made up just 4% of its total exports and by 2023, that figure soared to 84%. जो industry सिर्फ $1.8 million generate करती थी till 1980, grew to a $47 billion giant by 2023. Making Bangladesh the second largest exporter of textile garments globally, trailing only behind China. But success comes at a cost. Wages have remained very low till date. The current minimum monthly wage is only 12,500 taka, which means $113, far below the estimated living wage of $460. On top of this, a severe gas supply crisis in Bangladesh is threatening the backbone of industries like textile and ceramics. And due to this, the textile factories have literally slowed down. Gas supply जो 15 psi होनी चाहिए, वो सिर्फ 2 to 3 psi तक आ गई है. Shaukat Aziz Rasul, president of Bangladesh Textile Mills Association, has recently said that 50% of the mills shut down हो चुकी है and जो mills running है, in those two more than 50% production capacity down हो गया है. And all of this is happening because of Bangladesh government का एक decision to first prioritize fertilizer plants rather than textile units for gas allocation. Now, let's understand India's scenario in textile industry. India has a long, deep-rooted legacy in textiles, dating back to centuries to when Indian cotton, silk and muslin were prized globally. Independence के बाद भी India textile production में top player था, but slowly by 2000s, countries like Bangladesh and Vietnam surged ahead due to its export policies, cheap labor and trade benefits. But fast forward to 2025, Bangladesh is facing setbacks while India is quietly making a strong textile comeback. And it all began in 2025 जब बांग्लादेश ने हमारे Indian yarn and rice imports को block कर दिया and India ने smartly hit back किया by restricting Bangladeshi garment imports via land routes, forcing them through seaports like Nhava Sheva and Kolkata. And ये move के implications और भी interesting है because global fast fashion brands will be worried about its timely receiving of ready garments. And brands hate delays and so they will shift orders away just like they did in October 2024 last year. अक्टूबर में बांग्लादेश को 180 फैक्ट्रीज शट डाउन करनी पड़ी ड्यू टू प्रोटेस्ट ओवर अनपेड वेजेस. एक और एडवांटेज इस मूव का ये भी है कि इट विल हेल्प इन कंट्रोलिंग द मूवमेंट ऑफ चाइनीज फैब्रिक्स विच वर स्लिप्ड इन इंडिया थ्रू बांग्लादेश. And now, with tighter port controls, Indian mills get some much needed breathing space. Now, let's talk about government support. Government is also boosting this industry through various schemes like Surat, Tamil Nadu और लखनऊ में PM Mitra Parks बन रहे हैं, which are complete mega textile hubs with plug and play setups. Other than that, it is giving boost through 10,000 crore PLI scheme in segments like polyester, viscose and athleisure, where Bangladesh is already struggling. And at last, the real backbone is manpower. The Samarth scheme has trained over 3.5 lakh youth in export-ready skills, which includes 88% women. Now let's narrow down everything to basically which companies are stepping up and seizing the moment. Gokuldas Exports has seen a big boost with its stock jumping 19% on May 7, 2025 in one day. Alok Industries, backed by Reliance, yarn से लेकर finished garments तक पूरा integrated ecosystem seamlessly run करता है. Welspun Living, India's largest home textile exporter, is growing fast in the US market with strong partnerships like Walmart and Costco. And on top of all that, it leads in innovation with 45 plus patented technologies, including the popular Hygro cotton line. Kitex Garments, a key global supplier of baby wear, is benefiting from shifting orders away too, especially in the US market. With its 2,400 crore apparel park project in Telangana, it's doubling down on India's rising appeal as a stable sourcing hub and will soon commence operation in that plant. In short, Bangladesh ki textile troubles open a big window for India. And backed by strong government support, growing infrastructure like PM Mitra Parks, and a skilled workforce, India is all set to grab this chance and become the new global textile hub and regain its lost dominance. That's it for today's scoop, and if you find this video interesting and with useful insights, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.